Greetings, my name is Alison Denise Montañez Torres. Greetings, Alison. What is the name of the company where you would like to work and the position to which you aspire? So I would like to work at Boeing, which is a company that manufactures aircrafts. And I am very interested in the position of developer of new composite materials for use in aircraft. Okay, perfect. Have you already taken a TOEFL test? And what was the result you got? Yes, I have already taken the TOEFL exam, and my score was of 86 points. Okay, perfect. The level of English required for the position you mentioned is advanced. Do you have a plan to study English? Oh, yes, I am very aware of the level that this position requires, so I do have a plan of studying English here in Monterrey. Okay, perfect. And where are you going to study it? I will be studying it at Belayo English School with their program that's named System Belayo. This learning method is based on the MCER, I think. It includes access to conversational clubs, an internet platform, and flexible schedules. The cost per week is around 250 pesos, and it has a flexible schedule. Okay, and tell me, how many hours a week are you going to study English? So I will be dedicating 5 to 6 hours a week of studying English. Okay, and what's the date you're going to start studying it? I'm planning on starting this summer, 2025, and maybe on June I'm starting. Okay, and finally, could you tell me why it is important for you to study English? So, for me, studying English is extremely important, mainly because, especially in the aerospace engineering field, it's the universal language. Aviation, science, and international collaboration mainly use this language. Most technical documents, research papers, software, and engineering standards are written in English. In the professional world, English allows me to communicate effectively with global teams, understand manuals and technical specifications, and participate in international projects and conferences, which is the present and the future for aviation engineering field. In addition, many of the leading aerospace companies such as Airbus, Boeing, Bradley and Whitney operate in English-speaking environments or require a fluency in English to work with global partners. Therefore, mastering this language is significantly increases my career opportunities, helps me stay updated with technological advances, and prepares me to contribute more efficiently in multinational engineering teams.
Hello, my name is Alejandro Vázquez Sainz and I am an aeronautical engineer and programmer. What is the name of the company where you would like to work and the position to which you aspire? I have a lot of companies that I would like to work. For example, I wanna work in Oracle, maybe in Meta, Google, or more in the way of my career, maybe Boeing, Bombardier, General Electric. But why? I think because they are an international companies that have a lot of branches around the world, and I would like to travel around the world and learn in the same time. Have you already taken a TOEFL test? What was the result you got? Actually, I didn't have a TOEFL test, but in the primary school I have the Cambridge test, and I got around B2 C1. But in fact, the Cambridge test have a lot of parameters, for example, the speaking, the writing, the listening, and my lower qualification was B1 in the speaking part. The level of English required for the position is advanced. Do you have a plan to study English? Yes, I have to improve my ability speaking English because I know that the English is spoken around all the world, and it's important to have a level, advanced level in the language. So yeah, I have planned to study it. Where are you going to study it? I think that I may be studying it by myself because I think that I can do it. But in fact, with the internet and the worldwide net, we have a lot of information to how to learn one language or whatever language you want to learn. If I have necessarily to select one place studying it, maybe this could be, I don't know, Open English or another branch that teach English. How many hours a week are you going to study? Maybe 20 hours. I think that the immersion in the language is important because you need to live life the language. You need to talk in English if you wanna speak in English. You need to read in English if you wanna have a good conversation in the language. So maybe 20 hours a week is a good advance because the native person speak English all the day. So you need to give it time to learn. That you are going to start studying it today because it's important in this world actually. So the best moment to to make a decision was yesterday, but the second best moment is today. Finally, tell me why it's important for you to study English. It's important because I already said that is the universal language, so everyone speak English. It's important to, if you wanna have a good job, speak English in advanced way, and actually speak another language, three language. That is all by my part. Thank you for listening and have a nice day, sir.